What is up, guys? Fall Nation back for not Fall Nation. Oops, thinking of my other channel. What is up, guys? Redstone Element, Redstone Rebels, Redstone Rebel here for another video. And today we're going to be doing Minecraft survival games and parkour. But first we're going to do parkour, and then we're going to move on to survival games. We're going to have 5 tries. I've done 2 already. So 5 tries it is. Alright, so right now I have 3 times. I'm recording. Actually, I'm gonna change my name. Oh, that's no. I'm just gonna go to survival games. What? And you just got choked. What's your channel, Fall Nation? I have 2. 1 is Fall Nation for the win, and the other is Redstone Rebels. Redstone Rebels. Yeah, I mean,
I'd like to thank you all for this honor. I know my team would like to thank you too.
okay.
If he was real. But, he isn't.
Okay.
Why did you do it?
Dr. Swag.
My team never really
Swag Panda is with me. With me too.
Mikey's bionic dog, my wrestler uncle, my Asian parents, bears.
So want to team up and play? Okay.
Really make up bears? Who's bears? Just another convention center?
You troller. Let me change my name to Redstone Rebels. I can't believe you guys are just sitting here and watching me do this. Redstone Rebels.
Deserve to be nominated for this award, and I definitely don't deserve to win. I know I'm in trouble. Give me detention. Suspend me when I need to. This is a dark day for the Pandora. Well, I guess this year's award now goes to our runner-up, Stephanie Miller.
change
Yeah,
and took it.
you did it, man. It's all over. Yep. It's over.
Move your
Except what's he still doing
fat
here? Hey, buddy, where you been?
Hey, buddy, where you been? Oh, get out of my face. Where are you, MC Bandit? Where are you? Where are you? Redstone, move your fat butt. Finally! Nobody control me up here. Nobody control me up here. All of you suck balls. What the heck? Jump button. You're not the real Santa. Red stone rebel. What the? Whoa! I didn't mean to do that. What up, Pippo? Okay, so guys, this is gonna be our first match in this survival games. Team Fall Nation. I have Cupcake. Okay. Team Fall Nation. I don't even know where I has Cupcake is. If I just say fall, I will follow you, Cupcake. Hunger Games. Huh. What do you mean? I'll look down this way. Okay. I has Cupcake. 1023. Four, three, two, one. Go, 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 go. No, that's impossible. What the fudge? That. Oh, go neck. Foo, 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 foo. I got stuffs. I has Cupcake. Where are you? I has Cupcake. This. Where are you? I has Cupcake. Come on, follow me. I follow you. Come on, go, 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 go. Yes. Okay. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, I'm back.
Barbecue game. Let's get this tasty food on the grill. Watch out. This wacky grill could jump at any second. Uh-oh. Looks like dinner's gonna be late tonight. Barbecue party. It's sizzling fun by Goliath. Let's go play hero. Disney XD's got your favorite Marvel heroes. Avengers, assemble. Friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. All in one place. We do not act. Earth will fall. Okay. I got your back, big guy. Bring them all. Now that is some teamwork. Let's rock. Watch the Marvel Universe every
Okay. Tash. So, baby. Oh, sweat. Here. Stop. Here. Oh no. I'll get him. Come on, guys. First kill, first kill, first kill, first kill, first kill. Oh no, he got me. Where does he go? Oh, oh. Siri, here, some stuff. Oh no, watch out. Get him for me. No! You die now. Get out of here. Oh, what? How did... No. We could have won. Okay, guys, that was it. Let's try the parkour one last time, then we're done. We were set to... Should have just took out my food and ate some and then hit him. Okay, guys, that's it. Wait. Sorry, Father, make me more ready. Yeah? Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Stay clumsy. Peace out. Have fun the rest of them.